All right, number 13, it says angle K. Let's look at angle K here. This is angle K. That is 8x minus 19. And angle M, which is this one, which is 5x plus 43. We want to find that measurement of angle M. So I need to solve for x first, right? I have to grab the equation, right? So what I need to understand is this idea, okay? Did you know that if a quadrilateral is inscribed a circle, that the two opposite angles here, they're actually supplementary, okay? And this is only true when it is inscribed inside a circle. So if I know that the opposite angles are supplementary, I could set up this equation now. I can add up the 8x minus 19. I add that with the blue part, which is 5x plus 43. Then that's going to be equal to my 180. So 8 plus 5, that gets you 13x. Negative 19 plus 43, that gets you 24. That equals to 180. Minus 24 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 13x is equal to 180 minus 24. That gets you me 156. Divide by 13, divide by 13. I get 156 divided by 13. I get x is equal to 12. I want to know what angle M is. Angle M is defined as 5x plus 43. So I have to make that substitution. So 5, my x is a 12 plus 43. So 5 times 12 plus 43, that gets me 103. So that is my angle measurement of angle M. It is 103 degrees.